Hi friends, in this episode we will see how the cooling water treatment is selected based on these following three index. Land layer saturation index called LSI is pH minus pHs, ripeness stability index RSI 2 pHs minus pH, or practical scale index PSI, so 2 pHs minus 2 pHc. Based on any one of these index only, the cooling water treatment is selected. LSI is less than, if it is value is less than minus 0.3, it will tends to corrosion. If it is between minus 2 to minus 0.5, serious corrosion. If it is between minus 5 to less than 0, slightly corrosive, but no scaling is come, no scale formation is there. This is a very good value. Then if it is greater than plus 0.3, scaling will be there. If it is between 0 to less than 0.5, slightly scaling and corrosion also will be there. If it is between 0.5 to less than 2, scale formation only will be there. So based on the LSI, they will select the pH value and they will go for either scaling, descaling agent, or corrosion is there, means non-corrosion inhibition they will dose. Like that RSI also there, if the value is less than 6, scaling will increase. If it is greater than 7, calcium carbonate film will not be there, it will not protect the corrosion. If it is greater than 8, corrosion increases. That is the value, RSI value is 4 to 5 means you will get heavy scale. If it is 5 to 6 means light scale. 6 to 7 means light scale and corrosion also will be there. 7 to 7.5, corrosion is significant. 7.5 to 9 means heavy corrosion. Greater than 9 means corrosion intolerable. Normally they will select 5 to 6 value and they will go for descaling agent. And for corrosion treatment is there, means they will go for this value. The corrosion will be very less. They will go for corrosion inhibitor, sodium chromate or sodium dichromate they will dose. But now if you dose sodium chromate or sodium dichromate, you have to go for a effluent treatment also. So they stop from corrosion. They all switch over to the scale forming. So everybody is going for the scale forming, and this value they will go for 5 to 6 value based on RSI, and they will go for descaling agent. The pH's value is pH saturation is formula is 9.3 plus AB minus CD. These ABCD values are the TDS of the water temperature, calcium carbonate hardness, HCCW, and total alkalinity of the water, HCCW. They will calculate the water they are going to use in the cooling tower, like our open type cooling tower in India, and they will go for the selection of the treatment, whether it is descaling agent or scaling side or corrosion side. Then they will maintain the pH by adding H2SO4 acid addition will maintain the pH, and they will go for the descaling agent, and they will also have the corrosion inhibitor to avoid the mild corrosion also. In CCCW in Gulf countries, because due to water shortage they will go for CCCW only. CCCW, you must have seen last episode we covered only cooling tower in India. ECCCW is a closed circuit of cooling tower. They will have one water chamber. Above the chamber, they will maintain nitrogen pressure for 1 bar. So the nitrogen pressure will be always acting on the cooling tower, cooling tank called buffer tank. That will be situated at the higher elevation like our deaerator. So that buffer tank line is treated to the buffer tank cooling water is coming to the cooling water line, which is supplied to all the heat exchangers in the plant, and return will come to the cooling fan area where the heat load is reduced by the fan or other means. Then it will come to the buffer tank. So that will be recirculated. When there is any level drop or any leak in the line, makeup water will be added, and chemical dosing all line on separate pump will be there, and some places they will have ejector and the provision is there for CCCW. The CCCW normally they will go for molybdenate or nitrate or silicate or borate, And inorganic means then in our like India, sodium hexametaphosphate or tetra potassium pyrophosphate or polyphosphate or synthetic phosphate also nowadays they are using. This all after even after dosing the phosphate they will go for zinc sulfide and as a corrosion inhibitor. Apart from this, they will go for biocide dosing in ECCW because microbiological growth will be there. In India, open type cooling tower, microbiological growth will be removed by means of the chlorine dosing. That will kill the algae and other fungi growths due to sunlight. But once in a 50 days or once in a month, they will go for non-organic biocide. On that particular day, they will close the blow down, they will reduce the makeup, and they will dose the non-oxidizing biocide in India, which is called, some name of this is Quat MB or some aqua acid, trade name will be there. That will be circulated in the water itself. That day they will not give any blow down, and makeup also they will reduce. Just the evaporation loss only will be there. That chemical will used to kill the anaerobic bacteria. That is, due to sunlight you will get algae and fungi growth will be there. But some anaerobic without oxygen, that is in absence of oxygen, some bacteria growth will be there. That will be and the wall below the wall seating and some pipe bend will be there. In that area, that growth will be there. That should be killed. So when non-oxidizing bacteria biocide is dosed, that will be circulated for 24 hours. The next day they will heavy blow down and they will go for makeup and chemical addition according to the lab result. That is the condition in India. Whereas in CCW, they will go after this type of organic inhibitor and they will dose microbes only. That they will not dose chlorine because it is only non-oxidizing chemical only is required. And we can see the efficiency of the cooling tower. It will be more in winter. We will get around 70 to 45 to 80%. Summer around 70%. And rainy season it will be very less because of the humidity in the atmosphere. And another main parameter is cycle of concentration. The cycle of concentration is the silica value in TDS divided by silica value in makeup water divided by silica value in TDS, CBD. Or TDS in makeup water divided by TDS in blow down water. That value is maintained around 3 to 7. If you go for 7 means your chemical addition will be less and makeup also will be less. If it is 3 or 4 means you will have to dose more water and more chemical. This is the main criteria based on cooling water efficiency and cooling water treatment. Hope you might understand the cooling water treatment in India and abroad. If you have any question or anything, put it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Thank you very much.